How to fix Jisu Mini Fan suddenly stopped working step by step in this video. If your fan is not working as well, how you can simply solve it or how you can replace it to get a new fan on the place. Follow the video till the end. Here is a step-by-step guide how you can simply fix this issue, that is Jisu Life Mini Fan. Step 1 is simply check your battery and the charging. Plug it in using the included USB-C cable or micro USB cable, depends on the model, and simply put it on the charge. If no light, try a different charger or a different adapter. Maybe your charger is faulty, so let it charge for at least 30 to 60 minutes before trying. If it's not charging, long press to the power on button. Some Jisu Life fans require a long press for 2 or 3 seconds to turn on. A short press might just cycle speed if it's already on. Step 3 is try resetting it. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds to do a soft reset on your Jisu Life fan here if supported. Let go, wait a few seconds and try turning it on again. Then step 4 will be clean the fan blades here. If the blades are jammed with dust or debris, the fan won't spin or will take a speed here. Use a soft brush to simply clean it. The motor rings also. Now check the fan and lock switch if applicable. Some models have a child safety lock or travel lock. If there is anything like that, you have to unlock it. This is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video.